Welcome. I'm Grace Freeman, and we're back with the latest breaking news. It appears that ASC Engineered Solutions, the masterminds behind the SABERTOOTH craze that has been sweeping the city, have now revealed the secrets behind SABERTOOTH. What is it, and how did it make such a huge impact in such a short time? Luis Ramos is live with the story.
Well, Grace, after much public speculation, we now know that SABERTOOTH is a patent-pending coupling technology that enables fast, confident installations at construction sites just like this one. The name SABERTOOTH, we're told, comes from the tooth-like coupling shape that allows for both visual and tactile confirmation of a successful installation. We are hearing from local construction workers that this is an absolute game changer when it comes to those jobs where visibility is a real challenge. Whether you're dealing with insufficient lighting, tight spaces, or difficult angles, you can see, feel, and know that your installation has been done correctly with SABERTOOTH Tech.
Wow. I hope the construction industry is ready for some big changes. No doubt pipe fitters out there can't wait to get their hands on this new technology. How can people try it out?
Great question, Grace. SABERTOOTH installation technology can be found in the all-new SPF Anvil Figure C9 rigid coupling for fire protection systems. Just visit asc-es.com or speak with your local ASC Engineered Solutions representative to learn more about this exciting new technology.